So let's start the first practical. Like we, the aim is to study about the preparation of rice nursery. So first method I was discussing was wet bed method. So this is the photo, like we prepare a bed and irrigate the field with water, and the beds are made wet and the seeds are sown in this bed, and the final result would be like this. Would be like this. Final result would be like this. The field should be raised in proper beds, and it should have some proper, shape and proper distance between them. So wet nurseries are preferred under irrigated conditions, like where the water is available plenty. Wet bed nurseries preferred. The soil is puddled 2 to 3 times by puddler and 3-4 plowings with local plow. Like puddling of soil with by inverted plow is done 2 to 3 times, and then 3 to 4 plowings with normal plow is done, so that the soil becomes inverted and proper result can be seen. After 1 or 2 days of puddling, divide the nursery area into narrow beds, and narrow beds which are made 1.25 meter wide. We have to divide the field into various beds, and width of that bed should be 1.25 meter. And to facilitate the sowing, weeding, spraying, irrigation, there should be a drainage channel of 30 centimeter. Like in this photo, you can see you can see 1.25 meter bed, and there is a main irrigation channel, and then narrow irrigation channels between the beds are there, like this. 30 centimeter beds are there. 30 centimeter difference is there between the beds, so then water can flow in between the beds. Now apply little bit 2.25 gram urea, 500 gram phosphate per 10 square meter. Uniformly broadcast about 2 to 3 handfuls of seeds. Like in this method, we use broadcasting method to sow the seeds. And first 5 days are important for the seeds to germinate. So water should be available plenty up to the bed level, and slowly the water can be decreased as the seedlings start to grow. Now the second method is dry bed method. In this method, it is practiced where water is less or rainfall is very less. In this method, the same type of field plowing method is used. 3 to 4 times the field is plowed, 2 to 3 times the field is puddled. And same size of beds, 1.25 meter wide are made in dry method, and 50 centimeter high with 30 centimeter channel. So dry method कौन सा होता है? This one. This is the dry method. This is the dry method, like the beds are prepared and there is proper distance between the fields. Like proper developed bed is like this. Like this. The field is dry, and the beds are made proper spacing. A narrow 30 centimeter channel is given, so that if irrigation is available, we can apply irrigation to the field. फर्टिलाइजर जो सीड रेट है वो सभी में सेम है. Like by in this method also we use the broadcasting method. The seed sown should be covered with layer of soil. Special care should be there for water management. As water is available less, we can spray water with a can. And the seed show, which we have to sow should be 10 centimeter apart in dry or moist condition. Like when we are uh, throwing the seeds in the bed, like this is the method we prepare the field, then we divide the field into, like this is the like ड्राई बैग, तो इसमें हमने थोड़ी सी इरिगेशन देके साथ में जो हमारे सीड्स हैं उनको हमने सो कर देना है. And then when the seedling grow, little bit amount of water can be supplied at that time. Now the next method is the poke method. This is an important method which has been introduced from Philippines. It is adopted by farmers in Andhra Pradesh raising seedlings. It saves almost half of the time in seedling raising. Like 30 days are needed in this method. 25, I think 15, 10 to 15 days or 20 days, the seedling is prepared. Main merit of this method is that less area is needed to raise seedling. Like 25 to 30 square meter of area is enough to raise sufficient seedlings for planting 1 hectare. Like 25 to 30 स्क्वायर मीटर कितना एरिया होता है? And 1 hectare of seedlings are prepared in this. इस मेथड में हम जो हमारे बेड है वो हम रेज भी कर सकते हैं और इट शुड बी फ्लैट. जो हम इसमें सीड्स हैं वो सारे जो हमने बेड बनाया होता है उसके ऊपर हम यूनिफॉर्मली रख देते हैं और उसके ऊपर हम सॉइल के साथ कवर कर देते हैं. एंड उसके ऊपर हम थोड़ा सा इरिगेशन कर देते हैं. So the poke method I should show you. This is the method which is used in Philippines. This is the poke nursery method. Like this. आप देख रहे हो सीड्स इसमें हम बेड के ऊपर ऐसे लगा रहे हैं. डिपोक मेथड में सारा यूनिफॉर्मली हम सो कर देते हैं और नीचे ये हमारा ऐसे हमने न्यूज़पेपर जहाँ कोई लेयरिंग की होती है और इसके ऊपर जल्दी से हम इसको ग्रो कर देते हैं. I'll play it again. ये होता है डिपोक नर्सरी मेथड, usually used by farmers in South India, and it was originated in Philippines. हम बेड पर प्रे कर लेते हैं, नीचे हम एक नीचे हमारे we can say we have a layer of you can say newspapers or sacks, बोरी वगैरह हम नीचे रख देते हैं. ऊपर से जो सीड्स है वो हम प्रॉपर ग्रो कर देते हैं. Banana leaves can also be used. Now what is the procedure? Select a fertile well drained upland field near surface of irrigation. जब हमने राइस की नर्सरी प्रिपेयर करनी है, we should have fertile well drained the upland little bit up soil. For transplanting 1 hectare 500 square meter area is sufficient. मतलब अगर हमने 1 hectare की सीडलिंग बनानी है 500 square meter is enough. But I have told you earlier in the poke method only 25 to 30 square meter. You can see the difference. Normal nursery के लिए 500 square meter area चाहिए, but the poke method के लिए हम 25 to 30 square meter area में is sufficient. In case of late sowing, if some persons are late, the area can be increased to this much 100 square meters तक area हम ले सकते हैं nursery के. The seed should always be true to variety, मतलब we should buy the seed from a proper authority. The seed should be healthy, viable, clean, and of high germination percentage. You can say 80. Rice seeds required to raise seedling should be soaked in water. Like आपको बताया, for better germination, the seed should be soaked in water 24 hours prior. और जो हमने seed soak किए होंगे, that will start to germinate very easily because they have become a little bit soft and embryo can grow easily from it. So this is the practical you have to write down and paste a picture of the different methods of nursery sowing. Okay, I hope you have understood. सब्जी खाओ बाहरों लिया था इतने ढाबा होना